Well, as I drop things, this is just going to be a little chain clean and lube, while at the same time talking about my experience with the KTM 890 Duke R thus far. If you notice some stains underneath me here, it's actually from the grill, not the bike or the car, so never fear. At first I thought it was the car and I was going to be really upset. So besides regular lubing, there's not much I've had to do to the bike thus far. There is a little bit of a known defect after browsing the forums with coolant leak over the top coolant hose there going to the thermostat, from my understanding, and just need to tighten it up a little bit, and it has ceased leaking. However, with a bike with 3,000 miles, that was certainly concerning. I don't even know if I'm talking to myself or anything, because it's the first time using this equipment, so hopefully you're getting audio right now. Clean up the inside of the chain real good. It's the first bike I've owned. I've actually always borrowed from really kind aunt and uncle who got me into bikes. Actually, they purchased for me a rider safety course, which I would highly recommend. It was just a Harley Davidson. We were out there for 3 days, just a long weekend, and it was largely just the typical safety course in terms of the driving instruction, hazard avoidance, just general driver's etiquette. And we were on little tiny Buells, so they were kind of zippy for what they were, but it was altogether kind of hilarious. All right, let's see if I can get something to clean this off. If you guys can see right back here, this is the BMW I drive. It's a great story. I'll probably make a video about it later on, but it's an 08 335 Xi, and it is twin turbocharged. The engine's platform is called the N54. It's really a rewarding engine when you get into modifications, and it's so much fun. But of course, it's been my daily for the last 3-4 years, and surprisingly, it's only left me stranded a couple times. One major time, and that was only because of the electric water pump. And just have to thank BMW for their use of electric water pumps. Overall, this thing has been an absolute joy to drive. There's really not much in the way of discomfort on my part. I come from borrowing a cruiser style bikes, mostly Harleys, so it's been a little bit of a change, but a very welcome change, as the stance isn't actually very uncomfortably aggressive. It is really the exact type of bike that I thought it'd be when I was researching it, and that is something that I can drive to work, and I do, and something that just rips around the mountain roads up here, and that has been so fun. I put out a couple videos, and maybe I'll do 1 or 2 more, but the weather's quickly changing here in Colorado, and the mornings are frosty, and I'm not trying to take these Cup 2s out on frosty roads. I mean, they don't even heat up when you're in your 50-degree brisk morning, so trying not to push the luck there. All right, so we'll give it another clean here. Another round of cleaner. All kinds of shit coming off now. So as you can tell, or perhaps not, the garage isn't quite built out yet, and that's something additional that I'd like to do on the channel. It's I've got the tools necessary to take care of the BMW. I need to round it out with some motorcycle tools, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting all built out. So overall, we got the chain looking pretty good here. We're about ready to put on some lube. So let's give her some lube. Already, that's sounding really good. I think ultimately on this bike, there's been a lot of feedback about the chain and its general quality, and it'll squeak every couple 100 miles if you don't keep up with your lube. But there's certainly better chains matched to the bike from what I understand. I have a lot of research to do, but overall, I could see that being one of the modifications that I'll be doing. Other than that, the exhaust system, I'm not super happy with the stock exhaust, but as I said, it's almost time to put it away, so it's time to compile the list and see what's in the money and plan out the content. So this was just overall a test. I probably won't even post this, but if I do end up posting it, I appreciate you watching, and hopefully you'll join me on the journey of modifying the cars and going through the next year of my career, kind of discussion about the aerospace industry and self-improvement, the works. It should be fun. All right, cheers.